Hello friends, thank you for visiting the channel. Please subscribe and press the bell icon.
Así outing sih kemarin tahu, insing sih tahu ramai ni.
Oh betul loh. Jongkok itu.
Macam itu. Akiku.
Jongkok itu. Hema.
Are we going back?
Yes, Papa.
Did you enjoy?
Yes, Papa.
Am I bra? This video is Bisu's shopping. Kasi family and Bisu shopping to bulai. Bisugi essential diaper and baby food. Mayam amtong yang minasi. Thank you everyone. Please join in. Ako na nga sila yung mafam si Costco haiba shopping center sini. So manung da changaga kai kari yaoge have si we are going in yung cheke ako na nga si thidori ba pot si manung dani manung jagi diaper ni. So Christmas Eve na ako na actually numit si Christmas. Please watch out. Numit ki noma mamang dani 24th of December mi si Christmas Eve ni na restriction kar lai chara so crowd thi khara dum phajan lai ra. Due to the Christmas Eve we can see little crowd and we are trying to avoid as much as possible. Let's check out guys, and again thank you for joining us. So aham chang pada ujari si मैम ने जैसे the miscellaneous item ni, for example flowers agra fi no then electronics. Ako ni lecture e bise chang magi hek entrance tani we are again thi bungogi diaper amasung baby food thi balak sabani. So first ako ni uri base laundry item ni, lots of different kinds of detergent hadni, solid, powder, liquid lai sure. Ako hamna even Tide point ure kana ping adagi ujarak pa Tide sima de common way dum yaw bajani je foreign brand way bagi oiram basia. So room freshener everything line sure. So kana chile pi basna mag essential items pharmacy item haitare medicine prescribe tau de sucha ba ba unprescribed siglai basna. Okay adum yang biri mam su biri mase Indian rice ni India dagi importer pa male. Another dry fruits section this, and on the left prickles ni koi am focus ti tau jatre koi direct koi na adum lau lai ba laksari ba si direct thijarage. Please join us and watch out. Mang the lecture ba si my clothes. This is the frozen food. All kind of frozen food pack. Fry tawraga dum sa ba yare. Steam tawgera even we can see momos, fried momos, steam momos and sure. Sina pet item ni, pet food amadi magi dog ke cat bot ani mak sure. Laiwa meski kan si shopping center si adum moin mina haina bada khwai de ki chaw bani su hainai. Ke irum khar lai chare the milk item khar lai chare. Again wogi diaper search to ba hore amuk breakfast item ni mang lai jame cornflakes kumwa sure the indoor house in house and loichaba sasin gi made mayung kai kai hanjin dana ba. Other floor items sabdi ata yam mi jo adum yam na chin bo oide mo gi singa si si yam no phai. Everybody is following the guidelines. Yaring kai lapsung na jari. So again pet foods on the left and the flowers item on the right lejare. Option de yam yami mai se So asimadi pura already ready or bookie ni sidagi direct lai khraga tum piba yabagi status ni and leis no stock tare all the breakfast item black cornflakes kumba different kind tare mamang ujai sina mai ramen top ramen noodles and different kind again so sina mai ki where kari household item TV kumba the bulb electronics everything on the left selection bread vegetable including potato aloo and others the key fruits yaure taita naspati gumba the same komla banana everything we can see yam detail the in chilamdre maru we ade bisu ngasi gi outing se adum ngai ba mali we can see his facial expression kami sim kale sin jare same and green and both red apple the finally akoi jik thibala popo to phangjare this is the baby food powdered milk different variety and on the right sida lejare diapers of different stage bisu jik tha nipan phajare so we are looking for the magi chanaba diaper size and
True shot 19.
so as we can see options the selection the yamna laire so we can select according to our need so we got what we want loina phangna jik koina takar oi bayungi poche khara se lesin jare diaper magi pot lei bilak gi naam da so thank you everyone and thank you for joining us. We hope you had a nice time. Thank you from Bisu's side also. Next video amuk tuna upload tab jarake. Love you all and good night.
Oi, Yauri.